Okay, so I just want to give you guys a heads up here on this nutritional final project. So I'm asking you to read this up front because this is going to be what is going to be due in week 8. And if you keep up with this document throughout the modules, it'll make week 8 so much easier for you. So here's your document that you're going to be working on throughout. I'm going to scroll through here real quick. Okay, so in each of the modules, you're going to have assignments. And if you will take those assignments and you will place them in this document, it'll make your life a lot easier. So you'll notice I've got module 1, module 2, and module 1, it'll tell you which assignment I need you to place here and so forth. Some of this may get edited a little bit as we go through, because I might add and I might do some adjustments. But for now, what I want you to do is always pay attention to what assignment's going to be due and where to put them. So here, what I would like for you to do when you do module 1 and you do that assignment, I want you to create a heading within the document and then the questions that are associated with that assignment. So you might be asking, okay, where are the assignments? So give me just a second and I'm going to take you to the modules page. Actually, I think I can bring it up here. Okay, let me see if I can move this screen over. Okay, so this is in Canvas. Right now I am looking here to final project information, but when you go to module 1, for instance, and you're going to work through these modules through each page, and here on this assignment, you're going to see a video telling you a little bit about what I want you to do. And then notice over here it says, please refer to the final project document. And then I want you to put this information, age, gender, weight, height, and so forth, into that Word document that I just showed you. I'm going to go back up here to modules and I'll show you the next one just so you can have a look. So if I go to let's see, let's do carbohydrate review article. So notice again, I have the article here in this, and I've got some guidelines here, and I've got the article, and then I want you to put it in the final project document. All right, so these questions are going to go into your final project document, and then you'll just compile this document, submitting it every single time. So when you get to doing proteins, all right, so I'm going to move this back over here. Okay, so when you get down here to doing proteins, you're going to have all of your carbohydrate information from those assignments prior to that. And you're just going to submit the same document over and over again with each of the assignments associated with the modules. So at the end of the 8 weeks, you're going to have one long document that's going to contain the information as it relates to your scenario.